Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you what is delete range activity in Excel. So you can find this delete range activity under this Excel category. Here this is delete range activity, so which clears or deletes a range in Excel. So let me start by adding this delete range activity in UiPath. So you can add this delete range activity inside only Excel application scope. So first I am going to add Excel application scope into our designer panel. So I will give the workbook path where I want to delete range. So this is my workbook path. I am going to delete some records from this Excel sheet. So let me use this delete range activity in Excel application scope. So search for delete range. So now I need to provide the range from where to where you want to delete the rows, and I need to provide the sheet name. So in this Excel the sheet name is sheet 1. So I will just keep it as it is, and I will provide range in this range. So from I want to delete from A2 to for F5. Okay, so the range is from A2 from here to and F5. So it is going to delete these 4 rows from this Excel sheet, and it will keep the remaining records as it is. So let me give the range from A2 to F5. So within quotations A2 to F5. So now I will run this process. Before running this process, I will close this Excel sheet, and now I will run this process. So the task is done, and let me open this Excel sheet in See, the selected range of cells have been deleted from this Excel sheet, and it will keep the remaining cells as it is in the same rows. So this is how to use this edit range activity in UiPath. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.